Today we will learn how to do the house wiring from the electric pole and also how to check the neutral phase and earthing using a multimeter. So we will use the multimeter to check the earthing phase and neutral in a house wiring. So we will start how to do a house wiring. So if this is your electric pole, so this is an electric pole where the wires are coming, mains are coming, and further going. So this is the pole, electric pole, where the main lines are coming. So we will make an electric meter of house wiring, how it is done. So in a house, this is a electric meter from where we have to take the connection. So this is a electric meter. Now we have a different connection in a house, such as your 3-pin socket. This is earthing, phase and neutral, and there is a fan, electric fan, whose connection has to be given through the switch. And there are other electrical instruments such as bulb, your electric bulb, your electric TV, so we will check how these connections are made through this meter. So first of all, there is a wire which is coming from the pole. For example, we will take from the electric pole the wire this is a main live wire coming to the meter. This is a phase. Then we will connect a neutral connection. So this is your neutral. Next we will connect the output phase wiring inside the house to the phase of 3-pin plug. Next we will connect the neutral connection. We will make a earthing point outside the house with a copper rod inside the earth, deep inside the earth, where we have put a charcoal and everything so that a proper earthing is made. So this is the earthing done outside the house, and we will clamp a copper wire to this rod, and this copper wire is again connected to the neutral wire, and this neutral wire further is connected to the earthing point of the 3-pin plug. Next, again through the switch, this is a switch, we will connect the fan switch and regulator. We will connect the fan. So we will make a connection with the phase wire here, continuity to the switch, again to the regulator, and from regulator we will connect the fan like this with the phase wire. Neutral is taken normally directly from here. Hence neutral is been connected. Further, the bulb is connected to the phase, again to the switch, and further to the phase wire. Same here, the neutral is connected to the neutral point. Now same thing, continuity to the TV, the phase is taken, and through the switch we will connect it to TV, and same neutral is connected to the TV. So these are switch S. So here also we can connect to the 3-pin switch here. Switch, we can continue. So this is how we will do the wiring connection of house wiring, where from the pole where main wire is coming, phase and neutral, we will connect the service wire, the phase and the neutral, and it is given to the electric meter. From the electric meter, through the loop, it is taken out the phase and the neutral, and it is given to 3-pin plug, fan, bulb, and TV and other electronic or electrical instruments. This is how. And earthing is taken from the outside the house, where we will do earthing through a iron pipe or aluminum pipe, which is wounded with a copper wire, which is insert deep inside the earth for proper earthing, with all charcoal, salt and everything which is poured inside the earthing, so that we will get a proper earthing, and it should be little wet so that proper earthing is made deep inside. So this is connected to the earthing point wherever the earthing is needed. So this is how the house wiring is done. To check the connections, whether it is been properly done or not, we have to use the multimeter and set it to 750 volt AC, switch it on, and the electric probe has to be connected, for example like this. So these two probes has to be connected to the meter, such as this phase point and neutral point. this is phase and this is neutral, and check whether the voltage of 250 to 30 volt is coming or not. Same thing, the output here, this is input, and these are the two inputs from here to here. Here check the input points whether 230 to 40 volt are coming, then check the output point. If 240 volt is coming, then these connections are okay. Further, you can check the phase and neutral connection by switching it on and check whether 230 volt is coming. Again, from phase and earthing, you can check if proper earthing is been done. You can get 230 volt or 240 volt, whatever is coming here in the multimeter. Same thing, you have to check the phase connection of the phase and neutral of the fan, if proper electricity is coming not when switch is on. Same thing with the bulb, you can check here, and same thing with the TV. So this is how we can check the house wiring is proper done or not with the help of a multimeter. If proper 230 volt is coming, when everything is done, then your house wiring is okay. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.